Good morning, kindergarten. Happy Wednesday. It looks like it is going to be kind of a rainy day today. So hopefully you can find some fun things to do inside. I've been having some one-on-one chats with you, and it sounds like you've been keeping really busy at home, helping mom or helping dad, and some of you are helping your siblings. And it also sounds like you're learning how to do some really cool things. So I'm going to get to that in just a minute. Today for Reader's Workshop, you're going to be working on your reading choice board again. So hopefully you held on to that, and you can look and try to do a box that you haven't done yet. See how many of those that you can get crossed off. For phonics today, you're going to be working on blends, CH or SH. Remember, blends are when two letters go together and they make a whole new sound when they're together. There's actually some cool games on Starfall, and I looked it up on the app, and it's not pulling up the same way as it pulls up on if you just go to the website. So I linked the website in the newsletter, and you could always use your tablet, go to an internet search engine, and then type in just starfall.com and pull it up that way on the website as opposed to using the app. But if you look at the Learn to Read section, there's some little activities that you can do with CH and SH. For writing today, you're going to write a page in your All About book. I got really excited yesterday because it sounds like some of you found some really, really cool ideas to do an All About book on. So when I was doing my one-on-one chats, I loved that you were doing books that you're interested in. So you might be like, oh, I did a book on polar bears, but I'm not really into polar bears. Or I wrote that All About book on birds, but I'm not really into birds. This is your time to pick something that you are so interested in, you're excited about. It doesn't have to be an animal. Some of the kids I talked to yesterday were doing ideas like all about trampolines, because some of you have those big cool trampolines in your backyard. Finley actually taught me a ton about velociraptors yesterday. I did not know that velociraptors had feathers. So you're pretending that you are writing a book and the person who is reading the book knows nothing about the topic. So almost like you're teaching them all about it. I'm trying to think who else. Finley was thinking about maybe doing a book on the Addams Family because she's kind of gotten into reading those books at home. I heard a little bit about the Hulk, and some of you might do a book on the Hulk. So there's all different cool ideas that you can do. Some of you are baking at home and making banana bread. You could do an All About book on that. It doesn't have to be an animal. You want to pick something that you're really interested in, because then you'll be more excited to write your book. Last thing, today for math. Math is getting a little trickier. Parents, maybe you've noticed this a little bit. We're coming into some new learning, and I really want to encourage you to use some manipulatives. That means some objects that you have at home, pennies, paper clips, rubber bands, cereal, M&Ms. That would be a good one, right? Anything you can to help solve some of these equations or some of these word problems. So today you might be seeing an equation that's written really different than the way we've seen it before. So moms and dads might need to help this. So the sum, or what the equation equals, is going to come at the beginning for some of these. So then we see this equal sign, and then it says so it's written backwards from kind of how we've seen it before. So you can use manipulatives to help you solve this problem. You're just going to kind of skip this part, and you go 4 plus 3. Well, if I don't know that, I can use my fingers. I could draw it out. I'm just going to use little dots, and then I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, or I know there's 4 there, and count up 5, 6, 7. Oh, there's my answer. And then I just put it right in the sum or the line. you're gonna see some subtraction problems. Ooh, we did not do a ton of those before school got out. So subtraction means you're taking away. This is just a whiteboard app, by the way. These are free, so if you want to download one of these on your tablet, this would be a good way to do it. You could, of course, could just do a piece of paper. But I can draw it out again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I just did 8 little dots. And now when I'm subtracting, I'm taking away. So I actually need to use my little eraser. Oh, I want to go to this one. I don't want to clear my drawings. And I'm going to erase 1, 2. Ooh, I kind of erased part of 1. Now I want to count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so now I can write 6 in my equation. The last thing that you're going to be doing in math today, you do have some of those equations written out, but you also are going to have some word problems, and it might be helpful to have mom or dad or maybe an older sibling read these word problems to you. And I would suggest, again, either drawing it out or using manipulatives. I could even use, I've got some pens here that I could use to help me solve the problem. So one of them I know for sure is a subtraction problem. You have some addition ones in there. Those will probably be a little bit easier. But it says something like Maria's family had, we'll say, 6 cups of juice. So I know I want to start with the number 6. I already see that in my equation. And I'm not going to take time to draw juice. I'm just going to draw 6 little circles. And we're just going to pretend that those circles are my juice. So Maria's family had 6 glasses of juice. And then Maria's family drank 3 of them. So I really have to listen to the problem. If they were drinking the juice, it means it's gone now. How much juice did Maria's family have left? Well, they drank it. So that has to be a subtraction problem. I'm taking the juice away. So I can go back and I can erase the 3. How many glasses do I have left? So kind of think about drawing it out or using manipulatives to help you solve some of these problems. They're just a little bit different than kind of what we were used to doing at school. They're getting a little trickier. Families, let me know if kiddos need help with any of really any of the things that we're working on. But now that we're kind of moving into some different work in math, let me know, and I certainly can tailor some lessons around that or some sessions around that. I hope you have a really great Wednesday. Stay dry and have fun today, guys.